G'day, here's a parcel of small pieces of seam opal from Wrighton Ridge, Australia. Bit of a mixture. There's some that obviously probably won't have much material, and there's other pieces that are quite nice, like that piece there. Okay, so we'll go in a bit so you get a better look. Okay, I've gone in a bit. As you can see, there are a lot of 10mm and smaller pieces, unfortunately. Looks like a piece of leaf there. No charge for that. Nice colours in that. It's only thin, unfortunately, but you can make a nice doublet out of it. Possibly. I think most of the pieces have got some colour, something like that. Needs a bit of care to cut it, because the colour bar's only thin, but should end up with something nice. Of course, a lot of this depends on your skill. Can't possibly go through all of these. Should end up with quite a few small stones. Well, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.